Do a live stream.
Oh, really? Wow.
Let's see. You could tell Mike to mute the volume when he. Yep. Can you test to see if it's live right now? If you open it, it's showing like my. I guess, yeah. Okay. They're going to the tour. Are they downstairs first? Okay. Laid out like a conveyor belt for product. You can see that you go around process engineers, mechanical engineers. So walk around, you see pictures along the wall of the work we do. We focus in three heavy areas. Traditional mining is obviously lithium extraction, water treatment project in a sense, water treatment. We do energy, so that's traditional upstream, downstream, midstream, oil and gas, as well as renewable energy type things. We do solar, showing you a little bit of solar that we actually installed here. We do work for utilities as well. This is our process engineering group here. So you see on the wall a bunch of examples of some of the work we've done. This is actually a lithium battery recycling facility in Reno called Redwood Materials. They got some money from the DOE.
When you call me, I'll probably answer it from right here.
Yeah, Kevin's office there.
Yeah, right here on the left here.
But our process engineers, they do all the upfront simulations and modeling and calculation and really figure out what the equipment needs to be, how we're going to meet the process specs that are necessary for the plant. They're heavily involved in the Atlas job, of course, with all the different components that go on and working with FLI, the saleable products. It's electricity from the sun, silver, lithium from rock, lithium from water. This is our mechanical engineering process engineers who all simulations on all kinds of programs to figure out what's coming out of the process, what the equipment should be, and then our mechanical engineers specify that equipment. So they'll work with the vendors such as FLS and Veolia in this instance and a number of other vendors and make sure that that piece of equipment matches what's necessary to meet the product specs and what's required to come out of the plant. So you see some big equipment here, big mills when it comes to hard rock mining. This is a natural gas cryogenic plant. So these are, minus 160 degree Fahrenheit equipment that we have to design to. This is an example of stuff that comes out of our fab shop. We specialize in complex modular process kits. So modularization really provides a benefit to projects in the sense that it helps to control quality, take a lot of disruption out of the field, helps safety. You don't have guys out there or ladies out there in the wind or elements, snow, heat, whatever it might be. It's a more controlled environment. And then it kind of pieces together almost like a Lego set, in a sense.
Can we go introduce our team? Is that what
Sure. Yeah, that's good. Good work.
Michelle Toso, she's our lead mechanical on this job, so.
There's all of our mechanical engineers. And most of our teams work on multiple different things. So we really diversify and a lot of the stuff is the same. Whereas the process and mechanical equipment is different in industries, you start getting into some of the other disciplines. You know, pipe is pipe in a sense, concrete is concrete, cable's cable. There's a lot of different things, of course, but it really helps people having transferable skills across multiple industries.
Yeah. Matt took off to say that Jim's kind of he's an industry leader on the metals and.
Was Jim going to join us at one point?
You know,
We'll squeeze by and have you guys say hi.
yeah, why don't you say hi to introduce you to Jim? He's really.
So Jim's our director of metals and minerals. Jim's been around for a long time, knows the industry extremely well, very, very highly respected in the industry with his experience both on the operations side and the engineering side.
And I know,
Yeah, you know that.
some copper farm. Actually got a permit and started to build. Yeah, that's good. It's rewarding to see a piping layout on the surface that
Matches the
done
design.
many years ago. Yeah, it matches the concept from
That's
6
a
years
long
ago.
way to do a project, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, so Jim's involved in the project as the project sponsor, making sure that from a technical perspective, that everything is, the best it can possibly be. The team is considering all aspects to make sure it's going to turn out as we promise it's going to be, and ESM promises it's going to be. From the project management side, making sure that we're adequately executing the job.
Yeah, we would be
managing schedules, managing budgets.
I understand why you're doing it that way now. I think that you, like I said,
This here is our layout piping team. It's one of the largest groups we have in the company.
but where we
And, these days, everything's 3D it really helps to establish the location of all the equipment, how everything comes together, make sure there's no interferences between steel and pipe and cable trays. So this team here is really the heart of how the whole design comes together. And as you've seen probably from some of the things you've looked at for this project, it's a large plant, complex plant, a lot of parts and pieces that have to
One of our senior pipers, Pablo, we've done a lot on the front end, on the iron end, so we'll get to see that in the model as we get through. So, good stuff. Thanks, guys.
you've done work in Alaska, Guatemala. A lot of these projects, especially this Guatemala one, is a really high seismic area. That's another big consideration they have to take into account.
Which fits well.
It does. You John Mosey too? Oh, man. He's a piping supervisor, so responsible for the folks that are doing that.
Yeah, I agree. I've been trying to make
and we've done a piece on and off. And then during COVID, look at solar so these actually work good, and these added about company actually that sells these yeah, these are one of them